Good morning, I am Jordan Salgante and I am here to report and elaborate on points in 3D space, vectors for direction and movements, and matrices for geometric data manipulation. So, um, understanding points and vectors and matrices is essential in various fields, including sa computer graphics, physics simulations, and engineering. Yung mga concepts na to ay nag-form ng foundation for representing and manipulating geometric data in 3D dimensional space. So, we have points in 3D space. A point is a 3D space represents location characterized by its coordinates along the x, y, and z axis. So if you are familiar using Blender, meron doon yung x and y and z axis and it tells you the coordinates kung saan mo binibuild yung materials, no? So you can use that to make your life easier para alam mo kung saan na naka-face yung character or yung things na binibuild mo. Coordinate system. Typically, a Cartesian coordinate system is used where each axis is perpendicular to the others. Points are commonly represented as x, y, and z axis, where x and y and z are the coordinates along the respective axis. So katulad nung sabi ko, so yung x, y, and z axis is the coordinates of the things that you're building. Kung ano yung mga points na kailangan mo, nandun siya. Application. Points serve as a building blocks for defining shapes, tulad ng sabi ko, positions, and locations in 3D environment. So, once again, yung points in 3D space is yung coordinates ng mga binibuild mo, yung nag-define ka ng shapes, blocks. You can also use it as positions, locations mo dun sa 3D space para hindi ka mawala. And we have vectors for direction of movement. Definition of a vector is a vector represents both magnitude and direction in 3D space. Yung mga components ito is points. Vectors consist of x, y, and z axis components. Mga components and operations ito is addition. Vectors can be added component-wise. Subtraction. Similarly, subtraction is performed opponent-wise. Scalar manipulation. Scaling a vector involves multiplying each component by scalar value. Dot project. The dot project of two vectors yields a scalar value indicating the projection of one vector onto another. We also have cross product. The cross product produces a vector perpendicular to the plane formed by two input vectors. Applications. Vectors are crucial for describing forces, velocities, and transformations such as transformation, rotation, and scalar in 3D space. We have matrices and geometric data manipulation. Ang definition nito is a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows or columns. So for example, you can call a matrix in a rectangular array. So array in columns, array in rows. So that's 3. You can imagine that 3 numbers, 3 by 3 siya. So pwede siyang column by column or row by row. Transformation matrices. Matrices are used to represent various transformation including translations, rotation, scaling, and shearing. Homogeneous coordinates. Matrices facilitate the representation of translation as multiplication cooperation, enabling efficient transformation of points and vectors. Composition of transformation. Multiple transformation can be combined by multiplying their respective transformation matrices. Applications. Matrices play a vital role in computer graphics, robotics, and physics. Simulations for manipulating geometric data and transformation objects in 3D space. So it is very important in those particular scenes, no, yung graphics, robotics, physics, simulations. So everywhere sa graphics meron itong matrices na to for manipulation and transformation ng objects sa 3D space. So in conclusion, points, vectors, and matrices form the backbone of geometric data manipulation in 3D space. Understanding these fundamental concepts is essential for tasks ranging from rendering realistic image to simulating physical phenomenon. Mastery of these concepts empowers professionals in fields such as computer graphics, animation, engineering, and robotics to create sophisticated models and simultaneous that simulations that accurately represents and interact with the 3D world. So again, this yung topic na to is very important, especially if you're going to be a professional in the world of 3D animating, engineering, robotics, yung 3D modeling. So that is very important because these are the fundamental concepts of those specific topics, no. It is essential sa mga tasks na kailangan mong gawin to build realistic imagery, simulation or simulating ng physical world dun sa mga cartoons na ginagawa na napapanood natin, animes and stuff. Those are those things, the topics that we are discussing is very important in those scenes, no. Kasi doon natin nabibuild dito sa mga topics ito pag nagkaroon tayo ng better understanding and fundamental yung sa fundamental concept nito, we can create realistic images and simulation kung kailangan. So that's all. Thank you.